Hey everyone, it's Pixel. Today we're going to have a fun little take on nachos by making sushi nachos. For that, I'm going to need about a half a container of the wontons cut into triangles, yum yum sauce, a Chinese barbecue of your choice, rice seasoning, chili sauce, about a fourth of a cup of cucumbers, about a half a cup of avocado, about a fourth of a cup of green onions, some seaweed pieces ripped up into smaller seaweed pieces. And for my two meats today, I am going to choose imitation crab and smoked salmon. Oh, this should be fun. Let's go. First step, we'll get our wontons frying up into chips. Don't want to overload the pan or leave them in there too long. About 20-30 seconds on each side. And putting them together is rather simple. Just much like normal nachos, you would sprinkle the amount of stuff you want on them. Next, you can put on your green onions and the little flakes of our seaweed. Now, in hindsight, I probably should have found some kind of cheese element, like little chunks of cream cheese or even some of that loose, almost like feta cheese, but not really. I forget the name right off the bat. But, you know, I bought what I could, and it's still going to taste good. But we're not done yet. Last but not least, before we get to eat our nachos, we're going to put a nice drizzle of our barbecue. Might be a little harder, but we're going to put a nice drizzle of our yum yum sauce across. Yeah, sometimes it comes out a little fast, huh? And our chili sauce. And after the sauces, only if you want to, you can put on some rice seasoning. Just gives it a nice little topping of sesame seeds and other seasonings that are in it. Alright, it's time to try them out. Alright, well, the moment's here to try out Sushi Nachos. And grab one of the chips and let's try it out. Well, it's pretty good. It's honestly maybe not up to my expectations that I wanted it to be, but it's not bad. It's literally just nachos, only with sushi ingredients. And that has a nice flavor all its own, almost like when you eat a bite of sushi and all the flavors attack your tongue all at once. That's what's happening here. Now, I will say some of the sauces make up for the lack of cheese element in this, but could also probably put less on or more choiced things on. Either way, these are a good, fun little change up to nachos. So, you know the drill. If you like what you saw, have some weird thoughts about it, think you'll just stick to regular nachos, leave me a like, leave me a comment about it. I will see you in the next video.